Did you know that in a recent global survey, nearly 80% of people reported turning to natural remedies before reaching for over-the-counter medications? That's right, nature's pharmacy has been relied upon for centuries, and modern science is now confirming what our ancestors always knew. Many natural remedies can be just as effective, if not more so, than some store-bought solutions. In fact, some of the world's most popular medicines are derived from plants and natural sources. Imagine having a toolkit of safe, natural solutions right at your fingertips, crafted easily in your own kitchen. From soothing sore throats to calming irritated skin, DIY natural remedies offer an accessible, affordable, and often highly effective alternative to commercial products. Today, we're diving into 7 powerful, easy-to-make natural remedies you can create at home. Remedies that can help you handle everyday issues while reducing your reliance on chemical-laden products. But why consider DIY natural remedies in the first place? For starters, when you make your own, you know exactly what goes into them. No hidden additives, unnecessary preservatives, or synthetic fragrances. Natural remedies are often gentler on your body and the environment, and they can be tailored specifically to your needs. Plus, they often cost far less than their store-bought counterparts. Think about the common issues we all face: headaches, minor burns, dry skin, sore muscles, the occasional cough or cold, stress, and trouble sleeping. While the pharmacy shelves are lined with products promising instant relief, many of them come with long lists of side effects, questionable ingredients, or simply don't deliver the results you need. That's where these 7 DIY natural remedies come in. Each one is designed to address a specific, everyday problem, and they're all backed by traditional wisdom and, in many cases, scientific research. Let's get started with our first remedy. First up, the classic honey and lemon cough syrup. This soothing syrup has been a staple in homes for generations, and for good reason. Honey is a natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory agent, while lemon provides a boost of vitamin C and helps cut through mucus. To make your own, simply combine 2 tablespoons of raw honey with the juice of half a lemon. Mix well until fully blended. Take a spoonful as needed to calm a scratchy throat or persistent cough. It's safe for adults and children over 1 year old, and it tastes delicious too. Our second remedy tackles headaches, a problem that can strike at any time. Instead of reaching for painkillers, try a peppermint oil temple balm. Peppermint oil contains menthol, which helps relax muscles and ease tension. To make this balm, mix 2 drops of pure peppermint essential oil with 1 tablespoon of a carrier oil, such as coconut or almond oil. Gently massage this blend onto your temples and the back of your neck. You'll feel a cooling sensation as it works to relieve pain and clear your mind. Burns are another common nuisance, whether from cooking or spending a little too much time in the sun. For minor burns, try an aloe vera and lavender gel. Aloe vera is renowned for its skin-healing properties, and lavender essential oil adds an extra layer of soothing relief and helps prevent infection. To make this gel, scoop out 2 tablespoons of fresh aloe vera gel or use store-bought pure gel. Add 3 drops of lavender essential oil and mix thoroughly. Apply gently to the burn several times a day. The combination calms inflammation, supports healing, and can help minimize scarring. Dry skin can be especially bothersome during colder months or after frequent hand washing. For this, a homemade oatmeal and honey mask works wonders. Oatmeal is packed with compounds that calm irritation and lock in moisture, while honey adds antibacterial and restorative benefits. Grind about 2 tablespoons of plain, unsweetened oats into a fine powder, then mix with 1 tablespoon of honey and just enough warm water to form a spreadable paste. Apply to clean skin for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse off with warm water. Your skin will feel soft, smooth, and deeply nourished. If you struggle with sore muscles after a workout or a long day, an Epsom salt and lavender bath soak can bring quick relief. Epsom salt, which is actually magnesium sulfate, helps relax muscles and ease pain, while lavender essential oil promotes relaxation. Fill your bathtub with warm water, add 2 cups of Epsom salt, and drop in 5 to 10 drops of lavender oil. Stir to dissolve, then soak for at least 20 minutes. It's a simple way to pamper yourself and support your body's recovery. For those moments when you're feeling stressed or anxious, try a homemade calming tea. Chamomile and lemon balm are both known for their gentle sedative effects, helping to soothe nerves and promote relaxation. Steep 1 tablespoon of dried chamomile flowers and 1 tablespoon of dried lemon balm leaves in a cup of hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain and sip slowly, breathing in the comforting aroma. This tea is perfect before bed or whenever you need a mental reset. Finally, let's tackle trouble sleeping, a challenge for so many of us. A lavender pillow spray is a simple remedy that can transform your sleep routine. Lavender is scientifically proven to promote better sleep quality and help you drift off more easily. Mix half a cup of distilled water with 1 tablespoon of witch hazel and 10 drops of lavender essential oil in a small spray bottle. Shake well before each use, then lightly spritz your pillow and sheets before bedtime. The gentle scent helps signal to your brain that it's time to wind down. Of all these remedies, perhaps the most surprising in its effectiveness is the peppermint oil temple balm for headaches. According to a clinical study published in the journal Cephalalgia, a small amount of peppermint oil applied to the forehead and temples was just as effective as acetaminophen in reducing tension headache pain. I remember the first time I tried this remedy. After a long day hunched over the computer, a dull headache set in. Instead of reaching for medication, I dabbed a bit of peppermint oil blend on my temples. Within minutes, the cooling sensation eased the pain, and I felt more alert and refreshed. It was a simple, natural solution that worked better than I ever expected. Let's quickly recap the 7 DIY natural remedies we've covered today. Honey and lemon cough syrup for soothing sore throats and coughs. Peppermint oil temple balm for quick headache relief. Aloe vera and lavender gel to heal minor burns. Oatmeal and honey mask for moisturizing and calming dry skin. Epsom salt and lavender bath soak to relax sore muscles. Chamomile and lemon balm tea to reduce stress and promote relaxation. Lavender pillow spray for deeper, more restful sleep. Each of these remedies is easy to make with just a few simple ingredients, and they can offer real relief for everyday problems. By creating your own natural remedies, you gain control over what you put on and in your body, reduce your exposure to unnecessary chemicals, and often save money in the process. Plus, there's something deeply satisfying about taking your health into your own hands with the help of nature. If you found these tips helpful and want to discover more ways to live naturally and healthily, don't forget to subscribe. That way, you'll never miss out on new ideas, practical advice, and inspiring stories designed to help you thrive. Stay curious, stay healthy, and see you next time.